How to add Tesla key to Apple Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now I'm inside the official article of Apple support. This is on how can you go ahead and add your car key to Apple Wallet on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Now to get started, you first need to make sure that your iPhone or Apple Watch is applicable or compatible in order to go ahead and match. Now a compatible car. To find out if your car is compatible, you want to contact the manufacturer or your dealership. Now for your iPhone device, it should be the iPhone XS or later, or the iPhone SE 2nd generation. And right after that, you want to make sure that you are signed into your device with your Apple ID. Now, to go ahead and actually add your car key to your Apple Wallet on your iPhone, it's extremely simple. Make sure that your car is associated with the account provided by the car's manufacturer. Open the car manufacturer app, email or text message, or use your car display to follow the instructions to set up a key. Now, when you're sent to the wallet app, you can just go ahead and tap continue, and if prompted by the on-screen instruction, you can just go ahead and place your iPhone on the key reader while your iPhone and car is paired, and you will be able to have your Tesla key on your Apple Wallet. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.